Hey, good morning, sir. This is John Lee Tupas from G2F-1, and I got explaining the topic about intact buoyancy and ship stability affected when bridge. Intact buoy, sir, refers to a ship's ability to float. It is normal, undamaged state. When a ship is breached, the loss of buoyancy due to flooding significantly impacts its ability. The effectiveness of the ship's stability during a breach depends on the factors like the location and extent of the damage, the ship's designs, and all the ability. Ang overview ato jud series nakatukoy siya sa kakayahan ng barko na lumutang ng normal at hindi saritang estado nito. Kailangan kapag ang isang barko ay nasira ng pagwala ng buoyancy dahil sa paghaba ng makabuluhang pag-aapekto ng katawan nito. So kailangan din sir makakalutaw ra ang barko nga normal ug mao ra tong nasabtan sa ini nga topic sir. Daghang salamat.